I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the muscles of the upper limb. Okay, this is going to be this model here. These muscles that are going to be in the shoulder, the arm, and the forearm. Okay. You can see these little rubber bands holding onto the muscles. But anyways, let's get started, shall we? Okay, so let's do the muscles of the shoulder. Here you have the deltoid, and it's the supraspinatus. Here you have the infraspinatus, teres minor, teres major, and in the front you have the subscapularis. Okay? The deltoid and the supraspinatus, those two muscles are going to abduct the arm. The infraspinatus and teres minor is going to laterally rotate the arm, and the teres major and the subscapularis is going to medially rotate the arm. So medial, lateral rotation, abduction. Between those 6 muscles, and a pair would do a function. Okay? All right. Here we have the biceps brachii. This is actually a left arm, like this. Left. Okay, so this in the front is going to be your biceps brachii. So this is the biceps brachii here. Biceps brachii, you have here these 2 muscles. This one that looks shorter, is the long head of the biceps brachii. This one that looks longer is the short head. Okay, kind of reciprocals. Right? The one that looks longer is the short head, the one that looks shorter is the long head. And that's part of the biceps brachii. Now underneath the biceps brachii, you're going to see here the brachialis. You see it here laterally, medially, all that is the brachialis. And the biceps brachii and brachialis, what that's going to do is going to help flex the forearm. Okay, so you can do those curls. We can also mention too the coracobrachialis muscle, which is this one, and the coracobrachialis crosses the shoulder. So what it's going to do is going to flex the arm. Okay, so bring the arm up like that. So biceps brachii and brachialis flex the forearm, and the coracobrachialis flexes the arm. Okay. Now look back here, we have the triceps brachii. Here we have the lateral head, the long head, and the medial head. Those 3 muscles make up the triceps brachii. And those muscles are basically going to cross the shoulder and also cross the elbow. So the muscles in the back of the shoulder and the back of the elbow, so it extends the arm and extends the forearm. Okay, so it makes you go up, brings it like that, like that. Triceps brachii extends the arm, and also extends the forearm. Okay, so that's the triceps brachii. Okay, let's go down here to put this together. All right, so let's go down here to the forearm. This muscle here is called the brachioradialis. Brachioradialis. Okay, so brachioradialis is like, you know, the plumbers or the mechanics, you know, or the bus drivers, and they have the big brachioradialis here. Brachioradialis right here, and this is the left one, so it'll be here, brachioradialis. Okay, and over here you have the Pronator Teres. So what it's going to do is going to pronate the hand like this. So Pronator Teres goes like this, because remember the head of the radius is really on the capitulum, so it makes you do this. So the Pronator Teres makes you pronate the hand. Okay. And underneath the brachioradialis, you're going to have here the supinator. So that's the supinator. The supinator is underneath the brachioradialis. So you got to remove the brachioradialis, supinator. Okay. All right. So let's do these forearm muscles. Not everybody's required to know the forearm muscles, but I will do it for those that need it. Okay. So let's do the flexor muscles. Okay. There's going to be muscles here. These muscles here. This muscle here that goes to the thumb, and remember the forearm, the muscles that are in front of the forearm, they're going to flex the hand. The muscles that are in the back of the forearm are going to extend the hand. Okay, so these muscles here in the front flex the hand, muscles in the back extend the hand. So these muscles here in the front are going to flex the hand. And the thumb and the pinky individually. But So here we have the Pronator Teres. Okay, Pronator Teres. This is going to be the Flexor Radialis. Okay, Flexor Radialis. Here you have the Palmaris Longus. Palmaris Longus goes down. Flexor Radialis, Palmaris Longus, and this is going to be the Flexor Ulnaris, which is going to help flex this side of the hand. And underneath here you have the flexor, these two numbers here. These two. That's the Flexor Digitorum Superficialis. Okay. Alright, so let's do the muscles that are in the back of the forearm. Okay. Here we have the Brachioradialis. Okay, we've done that. We did that one. This is the Extensor Radialis Longus, and this one that's going to be beside it is the Extensor Radialis Brevis. Extensor Radialis Longus, Extensor Radialis Brevis. Here you have the Extensor Digitorum, and of course these are going to extend the hand. Okay, Extensor Digitorum here. This one here, little one there, is the Extensor Digiti Minimi, right there. And then here you're going to have the Extensor Carpi Ulnaris, which is going to be on the pinky side. Extensor Carpi Ulnaris, going to extend the pinky side of the hand. Okay. And then you can probably say this down here is the Flexor Retinaculum. This white thing. White tendinous sheath. Okay. So that's basically it. Those are all the muscles of the upper appendage, the shoulder, the arm, and the forearm. Allows you to do movements of your shoulder, whether it's abducting, medial rotation, lateral rotation, or flexing of the arm, flexing of the forearm, extending of the arm, extending of the forearm, or flexing or extending of the hand. Okay? Well, hopefully this video will help you out. That's pretty much it. Hope you like and subscribe. And I will check you out on the next video, which is going to end up being, not sure yet. Stay tuned for that. All right, take care. Bye.